In this video, why you need a CRM, Customer Relationship Management System, software. And it's almost as stupid as saying, why do you need tools to do your job? Why do you need a wrench? Why do you need a hammer? Why do you need wire strippers? You would never ask yourself that question, would you? Then why the heck do you not have a CRM yet? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, what's up? If we've never met, I'm Jeff, the 360 Electrician, and I own two electrical contracting companies, one in California and one here in Montana. And let me tell you something. Am I trying to sell you something in this video? Absolutely. I'm trying to sell you your time back, an investment. And you know what else? I don't care if you use Jobber, which is the one I'm going to be talking about. What I care about is that you actually get a CRM. Why? 1,200 coaching clients and more than 75% of you still don't have service software. How are you even running a business in 2026? Oh, I know, because you're working 60 hours a week. That's how. Because you're writing things on pieces of paper. You're doing things on your Google Calendar? What are you talking about? For less than a cup of coffee a day, I know everybody loves to say that, right? You're going to get a CRM, and I'm going to tell you why you need it, and it is not up for debate anymore. Number one. Okay, number one is if you're a 1 to 5 technician team, I know how it goes. You literally do not have enough time to do everything. So you're doing everything not that great, right? Everything, if you're lucky, is running at 80%. Well, let me tell you something. That 20% is what makes your guys drive nicer cars than you. It's why they take vacations while you're still in the job working to pay for their vacations. You just don't have the time to do everything. That's your billing, your estimating, your scheduling, your putting out fires is impossible to do if you don't have a system to do it. My number one reason why I got a CRM is because I physically didn't have the time, or more like I didn't want to spend the time coming home after work to go back to work. That's why you need a CRM. If that was the only reason you needed a CRM, wouldn't that be enough? How much is 8 hours of your time worth? Let's think about that. If you could be billing someone at, say, $125 an hour for 8 hours, you're talking about $1,000, you guys. $1,000, the most robust CRM is not even $1,000 a month. Are you kidding? For a fraction of that price, you're buying back your valuable time. And also what that does is not only buys back your time, but allows you to do way more work as a one-man owner, right? That means you still are wearing the tools, but you still got to run the business. A CRM is literally your best friend to solve that problem. Let's go to reason number 2. You have to have a CRM. Okay, before we go to number 2, there's a reason I did this video. It's a reason why Jobber sponsors me and I'm an ambassador. Of course, I've tried them all. And when I decided to go Jobber, it wasn't very hard to call them up and say, hey, you know who I am? The #1 channel for electrical contractors. And I decided I'm using your software. Why don't we partner up? And they said, well, guess what, Jeff? We would love to. So here's what you're going to get if you decide to do Jobber. Remember, I don't care. Even Jobber's watching this. I don't care if you get Jobber. I've vetted them all. I'm telling you, you're going to go from 0 to 360 faster than any other software. But what you're going to get if you do use my link and you sign up, the deal I made with them is simple. Hey, I don't care if people sign up. I just care that they have a CRM. So therefore, when they do sign up, you take care of me so I can take care of them being you. And so what I do is I give you an all things Jobber webinar where I'm teaching you my favorite tips, tricks, and features in Jobber to help me shoot that rocket ship from 0 to 360. And one of the big benefits is right now, if you click the links that you see, the QR code on the screen or the links in the bio to do a trial, a 14-day trial of Jobber, credit card free, I'm going to send you, once you purchase it and decide Jobber's for you, my top 10 terms and conditions for you to populate right away into Jobber to protect yourself as an electrical contractor. Because you don't have it now working off Post-it notes, do you? So again, click my links down below, click this QR code on the screen, and when you sign up to Jobber and you decide to get a subscription, email, DM me, I'm going to cross-check it, and I am sending you my top 10 terms and conditions. Okay, let's go back to reason number 2 why you need a CRM. I would say another huge reason, I know I label these 1, 2, and 3, plus a little bonus, but number 2 is a centralized database, a centralized hub. You wake up in the morning, you only need to hit one app. Let me show you. I woke up, I rolled out of bed. I'm actually making this video at 8:48 in the morning. Why? Because I have a centralized hub that's called Jobber. What Jobber's gonna do is once you get in here, it's gonna tell me everywhere where my technicians are. I mean, talking about one centralized hub, take a look. I have 2 approved quotes today already for $2.8 thousand. I have 12 action required jobs worth $7.6 thousand. I have 10 required invoicing jobs that we finished, $21,300. And here's the best. I have 12 awaiting payment invoices of $70,000. You guys don't believe me? It's all right here. There's proof in the pudding. Now, do you understand why I have Jobber? I have full control of 2 businesses from the comfort of my own home. How much more can I stress out why 79, 179, 279, 579? I don't even know. It's worth it to you if that's what you got to spend. The confidence that I know where everybody is, GPS tracking, invoicing, customer history, pictures before and after. If you separated all those, in fact, the marketing suite that's built into here alone is worth 10 times what you're going to pay for Jobber. So what I like to do is if you added all the different features that you pay separately, from a calendar app, from a company cam, from a marketing suite and an email suite and a communication suite, dude, you'd be talking about a couple $1,000s a month by the time you're done, plus the hours to run each and every one. Everything in Jobber is all in one place. That is one of the biggest reasons and why I put it number 2 of why you need a CRM. Let's talk about number 3. Okay, let's do the math for number 3. I already talked about it. I'm going to talk about it again. It's plain and simple. Do the math. It is, why are you not getting a CRM? It's expensive. It's another cost. A CRM is 100% an investment. Do you know what an investment is? In an investment, you do put money into an investment. You do realize that. But it's the outcome, the return that should be double, triple, 10 times the investment you put in. Jobber saves me at least, I can't even calculate, 3-4 hours a day after work, before work, during work, so that right there on the spot, I can give the customer an invoice, a quote, I can take pictures, I can get history on a customer. I hit a button on Jobber of where I'm going, and Google Maps automatically pops up to take me there. Do you know how much time that's gonna save you? If you're billing at $125 an hour, do the math. A CRM is an investment. That's why you can't afford not to get one. All right? Remember, click my links, use my trial, come on board to the Jobber team, and I'm going to hold your hand and take you from 0 to 360. That's my promise. All right, and now here's a big bonus tip on why you need a CRM. Plain and simple, my big bonus tip is the CRM is the fastest track to get off the tools, to start owning the trains instead of consistently having to run the trains. It's going to buy back your time. It allows a human being with 2 arms to operate like an octopus. You can have 8 of your arms into 8 different things by just simply opening up one app. It's not a joke, people. This is what's going to help you level up, okay? Not only have I used it to grow both of my businesses, but I've also used it when I have legal problems. When someone calls and says this happened or you didn't do this, you know, the other day it happened where we had to cut holes into the wall and we totally forgot to actually write on the proposal part, no patching or painting. And the guy was freaking out and was going to make us do patching and painting. Well, guess what? Flip that around. On my terms and conditions, we wrote absolutely no painting or patching is included unless otherwise noted in the proposal. And guess what? He shut his mouth and said, yep, you're right. Sorry about that. I'll get someone to patch and paint it. It's unbelievable. Use my links down below. And guess what? You want to talk more about it? That's okay. Go to www.the360electrician.com and sign up for my 100% free community 100% dedicated to electrical contractors on my website. Guys, I appreciate you. Make sure you check out my events page there too, so we can do some meet and greets and meet you at NECA 2026 for the 360 Electrician Social Media Awards. Jobber, thanks for making my life easier and sponsoring this channel and helping my audience level up in 2026 and beyond. We'll see you guys on the next one.